is your lock and lock stoneware. It's actually two different pieces that you're getting. You're getting a 4.9-quart stoneware bowl and then a platter lid. So yes, it's a vessel for your liquid, for example, and then you've got that beautiful crudité. It's those two pieces that you're getting for 5 easy payments of $25, free shipping and handling, saving you another almost $14. I'll share with you colors that we're looking at right now because you've got the cerise, and these match back to our today's special value. We have 1,000 in the cerise. Here is the white, 700. Here's your oyster, only 700. Here we have it in sea salt, 800. And then here's Marseille. Most limited 350. You see the ombre that is the same as your today's special value. They match back to our today's special value, free shipping and handling. You're the first ones to see this. So I actually asked to start the show with this one. Nate Collier is here with me. He's a chef. He also is a great tutor. I feel like every time I watch the Le Creuset hours, I'm like, it's a tutorial that I'm getting right now. So thanks for being here on this snowy day.
Of course, thanks for having me on this snowy day. And I love this stoneware for cold snowy days because it's going to do so many different things. If you're watching football and you want to snack all day long, if you're cooking dinner and you want something large and warm and bakeable, this works for both of those things. I'm going to pull something out of the oven back here because first and foremost, this stoneware is the same materials as all of our bakeware. So all of our casserole dishes, you will get this almost 5-quart size vessel. You can see it's a really wide with a wide sloping edge bowl. Baked pasta, baked mac and cheese in here comes right out of the oven the same way any of our other casserole dishes will. And it's glazed in a similar enamel to our cast iron that matches all of those colors. And look at how cheesy and delicious this is.
Shot. Thank you, Sam. Because look at that.
For football game day, think about almost 5 quarts of mac and cheese coming out of this. It swipes right along the edge. It's going to keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold, so great for serving, but you can bake right in the oven in this, so you don't have to worry about getting something else dirty. You're cooking and serving right in the same vessel. The stoneware cleans up almost easier than our cast iron does. Everything will release from this. So again, enamel coated on the inside, enamel coated on the outside, and
it's so pretty.
You're getting the tray, which doubles as a lid. So when you're baking your mac and cheese and you don't want to cover it with foil, use this as a lid. When you're putting it in the fridge to save your leftovers, use this as a lid. When you're not using it as a lid, you're using it as this beautiful platter. We've got our garlic bread on here to go along with our baked pasta. And this is such an amazing piece. Again, never before seen before today. And it's 2 pieces in one with a functional lid.
It's a worldwide launch, so we are not seeing this in other places right now.
Correct.
Only we have it. I said to Nate, okay, we're really excited about this. It also matches back directly to our today's special value. For example, we just have the oyster, and I just want to show you, if you come back here, do we have, oh, right next to you, right next to Nate.
Yes,
there's the oyster. So here it is. You're getting both pieces, or if you already collect oyster, do you understand like how amazing that looks?
And you can see the ombre on both of those. On the stoneware glaze, which I have here, so this is ceramic stoneware, this is the cast iron, and it matches perfectly with the ombre and everything. Now, this stoneware is more insulative. It holds on to heat. You can do anything with this except put it on the stovetop. So you can put this in the oven, in the broiler, in the microwave, in the dishwasher, in the freezer, in the fridge. You just don't want to put it on your stovetop. That's what we're going to save the cast iron for. This can do everything else. And by the way, again, you get the beautiful serving platter as the lid. And it's going to keep cold foods cold. So if you're doing fruit salad for breakfast, if you're doing potato salad, macaroni salad for your Easter brunches coming up, chill the bowl first in the freezer or the fridge, and it will keep everything cold. And then when you're walking to the table, you can carry it so easily because the lid is the platter and it fits right on just like that.
So I just got to give you an update on what's happening because you all are going, oh yeah, that's something I haven't seen before. I didn't even know that this concept had existed or existed here with Le Creuset. So the cerise up top, 900, here's your white, 600, oyster. 600 sea salt, 850, and then here's the Marseille. Most popular, 300 to go around. So if it's the Marseille that you'd love to have, the time is now. $25. It ships for free, and you're getting both pieces home. Weirdly, Nate, I wanted to just give measurements because this is 12.5 inches.
Yes.
That, like, right?
Wide on the top.
By 12.5, and then it's about 8.5 inches. I think height, or what was what they must be talking about.
Yes, exactly right.
Yeah.
And I love this shape because let's take a look at this white one here. It's got a nice wide profile.
Great.
So tossing in this is also amazing. You see the beautiful charcuterie platter on top.
Yep.
But just like you just said, underneath, we've got this Caesar salad. And the dressing is going to go right on this. Again, you can walk this to the table with the lid right on it. You have the bottom already chilled. You take that off to have your charcuterie platter on the side. And then I love the profile of this bowl because it's so easy to get your toss of your salad on. It's wide, it's easy to get in there. You don't feel like you're reaching down into a super deep vessel. And also, that's great for the baked pastas and casseroles you're gonna do in this because you get more browning on the top with this wide surface area of the bowl.
Weird question. You just shared with us where it could be, but the top, the lid, can I put like chips on top and then cheese on top and put that in the microwave?
Yes, you can.
I want to know, can I, right,
put it
so
in
I
the
can
microwave.
put it in the microwave, I can put it in the oven.
Put it in the oven, put it in the broiler.
I can put it in the broiler.
Yes.
Okay, I just am not using it stovetop.
Put the lid, the platter lid on top of it right into the fridge to save your leftovers.
Oh, great.
This is fridge safe. The only thing you don't want to do with that is if you're pulling a full vessel out of the fridge and it's got cold food in it, don't put it right into a screaming hot oven. Either let it come to temp on the countertop or put it in a cold oven and let it preheat with the oven. That will prevent any thermal shock. Other than that, this enamel-coated stoneware is super durable. It resists cracking and crazing. It doesn't hold odors. It's very, very easy to clean, and it again keeps cold foods cold and hot foods hot all at the same time.
And it's beautiful. So think chili, think of, think your stew, whatever we have going on. Is this chili?
I think that's a buffalo dip, actually.
Is it just a dip?
It's a dip, a giant dip.
It's a giant
for
dip.
Game day. You've got people over there. This is the one again that you're going to put the platter on in the fridge, pull it back out, put it in the microwave or in the oven to warm back up if you have that big batch. Here is some sweet shortcakes. These you can bake right on the platter using it as a sheet tray or a cookie tray. You don't have to get anything else dirty. We filled them with cream, of course, to bring to the table just like this because that sea salt's so beautiful. And then lovely macerated berries. So we've got sugar, balsamic vinegar in here. These berries, again, will not stain this. You can see the interior glaze of here. This will all wipe up and clean up super easily. I'm just going to use my fingers, forgive me. And we'll plop these right down on top.
I love it.
Strawberry shortcake that these berries are macerated and tossed in some vinegar and sugar just to give a little bit of extra flavor. And again, that bowl will keep it cold, and it's got the amazing shape that's easy stirring, easy flipping.
I'm thinking weddings, frankly. I mean, I actually have friends who they've kept the same. I gave them a salad bowl and tongs, right, for like 22 years. Shout out to Nadine. But I mean, like for a wedding gift, right, or a housewarming gift for somebody. Again, Le Creuset is all about heirloom quality pieces. Their stoneware is the same as the enameled cast iron. It's beautiful. It has the same color gradient. It matches back. So I'll take you through colors and I'll introduce you to something that's worldwide launched. Nobody else has this. This is one of the reasons we love shopping here at QVC, because we like to bring you things that you're not finding anywhere else, especially from a brand that's celebrating 100 years. So this is a heritage brand. When you think about kind of the Rolls Royce of brands in a space, that's what this is. So here's cerise. We've got over 400 of these vessels spoken for. Here's cerise, 900. Here's the white. And we have a white today's special value. We have a cassidou in the white.
You talked about weddings. That is our #1 most popular color on wedding registries, the white.
My gosh, get this in our today's special value in the white. It's amazing. Here's the oyster, that gorgeous gray. 600 in the oyster. Sea salt, 800 in the sea salt.
Beautiful color, one of our most fastest growing colors right now.
It's so pretty, and the ombre and the sea salt is so pretty. And then here's the Marseille. Only 200 to go around, 25 bucks. Try it. Get this home, put it in your cart, check out. If you are the one who's got the famous chili, you've got your famous soups, you've got your famous dips, you have your famous breakfast. I mean, whatever you have, it's going to be in this vessel. If you have a famous salad,
Yeah.
you know, anything. And then what did you show us here? Because it's 2 pieces that you're getting.
So
Will you
fruit
introduce us
salad
to the 2
underneath, I
pieces?
did just want to show, because
sure.
this platter, I'll tip it up just a little bit here. You can see the depth on that. So
Oh, yeah.
a little bit deeper than a plate, and it's got a nice rim on it to hold
Nice.
your food in place. Again, you could broil right on top of this as well with that lip, but that's also what locks into the bowl, and that's where the lid is going to seal right there. So if you're cooking something that needs a lid that normally you would just put foil over top of your ceramic dish, this is going to lock in and support that just like a functional lid, but it's the beautiful platter as well. If you're marinating meat or shrimp or something to cook on the grill in your bowl on the bottom, and you walk out to the grill with this empty on the top, take this out, put it on the grill, you're grilling it. You've got your clean platter right here to put your proteins or your vegetables that you grilled on the grill right back on top of this. So they're marinating in the bottom, they're grilling on the grill, and they're coming back on top of this to serve.
So my mom makes a famous broccoli cheddar soup. I feel like there
I
needs
love
to be,
it.
and then this is what the 7-layer dip for 20 people.
It is, and look
It's
how
amazing.
easily it
Look
just
at this.
comes right off the side. So the enamel coating on this almost pulls away easier than our cast iron enamel. Nothing's gonna stick to this. You can soak it, you can dishwasher it, you can scrub it. Nothing's gonna hurt this enamel glaze. Very easy cleanup as well.
And we are gonna leave it, remind us where it can go. It can go in the...
Anything but stovetop.
Anything
so
but stovetop.
Oven, broiler, fridge, freezer, microwave. Keeps cold foods cold, keeps
And
hot foods hot. It's great for prepping, it's great for baking, and it's great for serving all of